Good morning, children. I think everyone is fine at home. Yes, children, you are fine at home. I can't hear. These are online classes, no? You are absolutely fine. Now, without delaying, let us go to our topic in mathematics, chapter 3, additions. What, children? Chapter 3, additions. 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 Now, before going to the topic, I will ask you one question. Yes, children? How many fingers do you have? Can you tell me? Okay, we will count and find it. Now open fingers, children. Open fingers. Yes, children. Show your hands and open fingers. Okay, now let us count. How many fingers we have? Let us count. See, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many fingers, children? 10 fingers. Yes, children. We have how many fingers? 10 fingers. Okay. Now, children, additions. See, children, additions. Additions means what, children? Additions means put things together. Additions means put things together or joining together. Yes, children, joining together or combining together. What, children? Addition means put things together, joining together or combining together. Yes, children. Okay. Now, see, children, we'll go to our topic, additions. What, children? Additions. Now, we will discuss about additions. Add one more to any number. Add one more to any number. Additions. Add one more to any number. See, children, here in this row I have one leaf. How many? One leaf. See, children, I have one leaf and one more leaf joins in. So one and one more make two leaves. Yes, children, in this row I have one leaf and one more leaf joins in. So one and one more leaf make two leaves. Yes, children, like this. In this row, I have two leaves. How many leaves? Two leaves. And one more leaf joins in and make how many leaves? 1, 2, 3. 3 leaves. Yes, children. 1, 2, 3 leaves. Okay. Now, in this row, I have 3 leaves. And one more leaf joins in. How many leaves, children? Come on, count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 leaves. Yes, children. In this row, I have 4 leaves. And one more leaf joins in. Yes, children. One more leaf joins in and make how many leaves? 4 and one more leaf. How many? Come on, count, children. Fast. Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 leaves. Yes, children. Like this. In this row, I have 5 leaves. And one more leaf joins in. 5 and one more leaf make how many leaves? Come on, count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 leaves. Yes, children. Like this, I have 6 leaves. How many leaves? 6 leaves. And one more leaf joins in. 6 and one more leaf make how many leaves? 7 leaves. How many leaves, children? 7 leaves. Yes, Here, if I have 7 leaves and one more leaf joins in, how many leaves? Come on, count, children. Yes, come on, count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many leaves, children? 8 leaves. Okay. Now see, children, here. See? Come on. How many leaves here? 1 leaf. And 1 and 1 more leaf make 2 leaves. And 2 and 1 more leaf make 3 leaves. And 3 and 1 more leaf make 4 leaves. And 4 and 1 more leaf make 5 leaves. And 5 and 1 more leaf make 6 leaves. And 6 and 1 more leaf make 7 leaves. And 7 and 1 more leaf make 8 leaves. Like that, it's if we add one more number, we will get extra number, next number. Okay, children? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, children? And see, children, I will tell you additions, another type of additions. Okay? Shall I start now, children? Okay, now? Okay. Now, children, another type of addition. Okay? See, children, here I have, see, children, another type of addition. Just see, children, I have 4 badams. How many badams I have? 4 badams. 1, 2, 3, 4 badams. My son gave me 3 more badams. See, children, my son gave me 3 more badams. Come on, children. Total all together how many? Come on, count it, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many badams, children? 7 badams. Okay, children. Now, I have how many? Okay, 5. See, children, I have 5 badams. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 badams. And my daughter gave me 2 more badams. See, children, my daughter gave me 2 more badams. Total all together how many? Come on, count, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Now see, children. See, I have 3 badams. How many badams I have? 1, 2, 3 badams. Now, again my son gave me 5 more badams. 5 more badams. See, children, come on, count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total all together how many, children? 8 badams. Now, see, children, here how many badams I have? 2 badams. I have 2 badams. And again my son gave me 3 more badams. 3 more badams. Yes, children. Come on, count all together how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, children. Total all together 5 badams. Like this, you also take any badams or cashews or stones or any items. You take and you have to add like this. This is also one type of addition. Will you practice at home, children, like this? Okay. Yes, children. You have to take your mama or dad's help and do this work. Yes, children. This is your practice. Yes, children. Your practice work. You have to practice. Okay, children. Bye. See you tomorrow.